Experience the thrilling transformation of our world as the age of AI dawns upon us. ChatGPT 3 and now the groundbreaking GPT-4 have revolutionized the world in ways beyond imagination. For nearly 3 decades, I've been immersed in the world of boxing, and I can confidently say that AI's insights are game-changing, as GPT-4 can give you precise boxing instruction with the click of a button. Join me in this exhilarating video series where I'll serve as your avatar, allowing GPT-4 to guide you on an epic journey to mastering boxing. I will only say the words and perform the actions that GPT-4 tells me to, and prepare to be amazed. In this first video, AI conquers the art of the perfect boxing stance. Master the perfect boxing stance with AI. Hey there, champions. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I, your AI boxing coach, will be teaching you how to achieve the ideal boxing stance. So lace up those gloves and let's dive in. A proper boxing stance is essential for balance, power, and defense, forming the foundation of your entire game. Let's break down the key elements of the perfect boxing stance. Foot placement. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, with your dominant foot slightly behind the non-dominant foot. Your feet should be positioned at a roughly 45-degree angle, ensuring stability and efficient weight shifting. Stance orientation. If you're right-handed, take a step back with your right foot, keeping it slightly behind your left. For lefties or southpaws, do the opposite. Balance. Distribute your weight evenly between both feet, with a slight bend in your knees. Maintain a low center of gravity for stability and quick movements. Avoid leaning too far forward or backward, as this can compromise your balance and make you vulnerable to knockdowns. Guard positioning. Tuck your elbows close to your body to protect your ribs and maintain a compact guard. Keep your dominant hand near your chin and your non-dominant hand slightly extended in front of you. This posture allows you to defend your face while being ready to throw jabs or other punches. Chin and vision. Keep your chin tucked into your chest to safeguard your jaw and neck. Always keep your eyes on your opponent. Position your head slightly forward, tucking your chin into your shoulder to reduce your opponent's target area and shield your chin from powerful punches. Stay focused on your opponent, anticipating their movements and reacting accordingly. By maintaining this position, you'll have better control and balance, making it easier to throw punches and defend against your opponent. You'll be less vulnerable to knockdowns and better prepared to react to your opponent's moves. Relaxation and mobility. Stay relaxed and light on your feet, ready to move and change direction quickly. Maintain a slight bounce in your step, which helps you stay agile and makes it harder for your opponent to predict your movements. Breathe deeply and remain calm, as tension in your muscles can slow you down and tire you out more quickly. Let's recap the key elements of a proper boxing stance. Correct foot position, stance orientation, proper balance and body position, guard positioning, chin down and eyes up, relaxation and mobility. To make this stance second nature, practice shadow boxing, mirror drills, and sparring with a partner. Consistency and repetition are vital to mastering the perfect boxing stance. That's it for today's lesson, champions. Keep practicing your boxing stance and you'll be well on your way to becoming a formidable fighter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert boxing tips from your AI coach. Until next time, stay strong and keep punching.